Hi, welcome back, it's Tasha, and today I'll be showing you how to easily create amethyst and rose quartz nails using regular polish. So first, I'm using a sheer purple polish as the base coat, and to make the sheer polish, I mixed 1 drop of lilac polish and 3 drops of base coat, or you can use a top coat or a clear polish. So this sheer purple polish is the base for amethyst. For the rose quartz, I'm using a sheer pink polish, and to make the sheer polish, I mixed baby pink polish and a clear polish with the same ratio. Next, draw some white lines, then dip your brush onto acetone and blend the white lines outwards. Make sure to do it right away because we're working with regular polish, so it dries pretty quickly. Next, apply another coat of sheer polish. To create the marble effect, draw another random white lines and blend them outwards as we did earlier. Once they dry, apply another coat of sheer polish. The marbles are basically done. You can just put top coat and you're good to go, but I'm being a bit extra today, so I'm adding glitter polish and also gold leaves. I'm also adding a cuticle design, so here I'm just painting glitter polish along the cuticle lines. Glossy top coat and we're done. Here's the final look. Hope you guys like it and thank you so much for watching.